guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jacqueline. What's up? Welcome to my little corner of the internet. Today's video is going to be a Phanta Fauna unboxing. I ordered from there for the first time recently, and I got my package in the mail yesterday. And I actually tried to film an unboxing yesterday, and I just was not in a good mood, and it really showed in that video, and I couldn't get all of my thoughts out the way that I wanted to, so I was just like, whatever, we're gonna scrap this and refilm it. So that is what I'm doing today. If you have never heard of the shop called Phanta Fauna, they are a shop that makes ears and tails, and they also make horns. They're basically resin horns that are glued onto alligator clips, so you can clip them in your hair, or you can clip them on a headband and wear them sort of like how you would wear ears, I guess. I've really been wanting a pair for a while. The horns that I got are called the Astra Mint Crush horns and the Astra Baby Pink Crush horns. These are two different colors. My subtotal for two pairs of horns was $32. And shipping ended up being $8.25. So the total including shipping was $40.25. I was kind of like, whoa there. That's kind of expensive for shipping. I haven't ordered things in a while, and I don't know how much shipping costs in different parts of the world. So, you know, normally I'm used to paying like that much for like ears, but I guess, I don't know. It was two pairs of horns. So you'll obviously get a little business card. This is super cute, and I love the little kitty divider on the back. I think it's adorable. And then you get a little note. This is what the front of it says. I'm so fond of you. And then there's just a thank you for your purchase note on the back. And then you also get a little sticker. I love getting stickers when I order things. I have a bunch of stickers now though, and I don't really know what to do with them because they just sit in a drawer and I don't ever like stick them to anything, so I don't know. Give me some suggestions on what I should do with my like sticker hoard. You'll also receive a headband in your box if you do decide to order a pair or two of horns. Everything was wrapped up really nicely when I first opened it. I'm gonna insert a little clip of that. That could be the thumbnail. So cute. Felt like a little present coming in the mail. This is the first pair I got. They're the baby pink ones, and they really remind me of rose quartz crystals. They have this like, it's kind of like a rose gold orange glitter in them. They're really cute, and they're bigger than I thought they would be, but like, I don't know how small I expected horns to be. They came individually wrapped in the little box, and there was star confetti. Confetti? Is it confetti? So then the second pair that I got was this mint green pair. Has the same kind of glitter in them, but these are so freaking cute. I bought the pink ones just because I figured they could match like any of my ears, you know, because a lot of my ears have like pink shading. But I intentionally got the mint green ones to match a pair of my Hoshikin's ears. I am super happy to say that the match is like pretty freaking good. Look at that. They have like the same tones in them, I guess. These might be a tad darker, but I think they look so good with these ears, and I'm so happy that they match the way that they do. I guess I'm gonna show try-ons of these because I don't know like what else to do. I would do that for ears if I was unboxing ears. So the way that I am going to clip them to the headband is like sort of angled in, because that is what I've seen on the shop's Instagram. Oh my god, these are so cute and small. They're so adorable. Oh my god. I'm sorry my hair is kind of wonky. It takes a little bit to get your hair to look decent with two headbands, but I'm pretty sure you could also clip them onto your ears, like your headband directly. So, I don't know. Let me try that. Let's try that. I've seen some shops do this, but they're not really around anymore. Oh yeah, this is really cute. This is sort of like a more subtle way to wear them. Obviously, because they're not in front of the ears, but if you want to put them in front of the ears, I would suggest using the other headband. They're so freaking cute! I can't tell if this looks right or not. I don't remember how I did them before. Yeah, I think with these I would want to wear them like more on a separate headband. Hold on, we'll try it again. Obviously, you can choose whatever positioning you want for these. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure where I want to position them on the headband. So overall, my experience with this shop was 10 out of 10. I highly recommend checking them out if you are interested in some good quality ears, tails, and horns. I will link their Instagram page and their shop website down in the description box below so you can check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. All of my social media links can be found in the description box down below. I highly recommend following me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me and my day-to-day life and just see some cute posts. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!